Speaking of which, 15 people have lost their lives in Telangana in rain-related incidents following incessant rainfall that lashed different parts of the state, leading to not just waterlogging on roads, but also inundation of some low-lying areas. 10 people, including a toddler, died in two wall collapse incidents in Chandrayan Gata police station limits as well. And here are some of the ground reports filed by my colleague, Aneri.
Heavy to very heavy rainfall which occurred in Telangana and in various parts of Telangana, and heavy rainfall which occurred in Hyderabad has led to waterlogging in the low-lying areas. Well, we are in Khairabad area now, and as we can see, the low-lying areas being affected due to waterlogging. Well, people have not come out of their houses as there's severe waterlogging in these particular areas, and also the full tank levels of Hussain Sagar, Himayat Sagar have crossed the full tank level, and last night at 12 a.m. there were two gates of Himayat Sagar which were opened, and as you can see, the GHMC teams have been deployed so that they can take up rescue operations and make people come out of their house and make life easy in Hyderabad and various parts of Telangana. Well, the IMD has also predicted that heavy to very heavy rainfall is also likely to occur on 14th and 15th of October, and also Telangana state government has announced that all the private institutions, offices will remain closed on 14th and 15th October in view of heavy rainfall which is expected. Heavy rainfall in the state of Telangana and in various parts of Telangana. Well, we are here in Lower Tangment area of Hyderabad, and as you can see, now the waterlogging in this particular area has raised to such a level that people are stuck in their house, and now NDRF teams, police personals have deployed boats to rescue people there, and also they are being brought out of their homes so that they can move out from this particular area and go to their work and various other places. But now the GHMC has deployed various teams in various locations. Necessary food items, water is being provided to the people who are stuck in their house so that they do not face any kind of problem. As you can see the visuals here, boats have been deployed in this particular area to rescue people and also to ensure that waterlogging comes down in all the areas. And well, IMD has also predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall today on 14th of October and on 15th of October as well. The state government has asked people to stay safe, stay indoors, so that it is easy for them also to make sure that citizens are safe. Due to heavy downpour in Telangana now, which witnessed heavy to very heavy rainfall in various parts of Telangana, when it comes to Hyderabad, we are here on the Tangment, where you can see the water level increasing with heavy rainfall which was witnessed last night, and also the IMD has predicted that rainfall would continue in various parts of Telangana on 14th and 15th. The full tank level of Tangment has also raised, and last night Himayat Sagar gates were opened. The two gates of Himayat Sagar were opened to gush out excess water so that it does not affect any low-lying areas. But we have been witnessing many waterlogging areas, people being washed away, vehicles being washed away in the waterlogging areas in various parts of Telangana and Hyderabad as well. Well, there were lorries and buses which were stuck in Telangana, in Warangal district as well. But now you can see the full tank level of Tangment has also crossed, but people in the low-lying areas have been given caution about this and asked them to take all the precautionary measures. Government of Telangana has declared holiday due to heavy rainfall on 14th and 15th of October.